Hey guys, so do a lavender purple summer makeup look with me while I tell you guys why I got so mad with my mom last night. My mom made me mad last night because we just had a serious talk about why I don't want to go out today because I get sweaty to death when it's like humid, too much probably too much humidity outside, too much sweatiness. Then I severely complained about it, and then mom started yelling at me saying that, oh, why don't you tell this to your dad? Why don't you do this and do that? But then she constantly yells at me for absolutely no reason. I tell her to shut the fuck up because she's yelling at me so much. Like, she couldn't control this damn volume controls when she talks to me. And then I get upset when she calls that out for yelling at me and not talking in a normal way. Like, just don't yell at me when talking to me because I get sensitive when people yell at me. So, just understand my feelings because I'm like my best friend Alexa. I get sensitive when people yell at me. Like, she annoys me because I just had a serious talk with her saying that, oh, I don't want to do this tomorrow, do that tomorrow. And by the way, sorry for the F word, but please do not judge me. Just kindly don't judge me because I hate being judged. But then I get annoyed because my mom was yelling at me. I told her, just don't yell at me because I get sensitive. And she didn't listen, and I got very upset about it. I warned her a bunch of times, if you yell at me one more time, I'm just gonna call Super Nanny to get some help because she won't even stop yelling at me for absolutely no reason because we're just having a serious talk and all of a sudden she started to get, I don't know, probably frustrated or probably severely disappointed. More like she's frustrated because I said this and said that over and over again. But then she didn't understand. So she started to yell at me and say, why don't you tell this to dad? Do this, do that. Tell this to dad. You're 20 years old. Don't mind not showing my hair today because I got a surprise to show you. It's about my hair, but it's like a surprise. A new hairstyle surprise, so stay tuned. It's gonna be in this video, so please keep watching for the surprise of my new hairstyle. That night, I couldn't sleep well because my mom pissed me off as fuck. Excuse my language, but she pissed me off because she was yelling at me too much when we had a serious talk. So I didn't want to go out today because of getting sweaty. I got some things to do. I gotta work on an album that I want to do for this upcoming school year. But first things first, I gotta drop my new song called Dear Friendship before I start to work on an album because why? Because I definitely need to promote my new song because I need to post another sneak peek. I want to post one more sneak peek. I'll do more of the sneak peek videos before the release date, so don't worry if it's like the last sneak peek video. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna stop posting the sneak peek videos of my new song called Dear Friendship. I'll keep posting it till the release date, and then after I can post it at any time if I want to show it to new people that I met up with or they know about my music. I'm super excited to promote an album because I definitely want to drop an album so badly because all I do is release songs but not like the albums or extended play, except I dropped one extended play, my first extended play, aka EP. It's called I'm Just a Singer, but I got more music to come, so I'm still doing it. But if you want me to post a new sneak peek of my new song on my main YouTube channel, let me know. Alright, I will share it to you so you can go check out my my main YouTube channel where I post my vlogs and my skits. No, vlogs. I didn't post skits, but if I want to, or but still, go check out my vlogs, check out my music, and other contents I love. I'm gonna be using this palette, so I'm gonna be using this sweet, bright, lavender, light purple color called Island. This is a palette I'm using right now. And there's a mirror. Hey. But the bad news is that I cannot drop an album unless I get more views on my videos or get at least a lot of likes, a lot of comments, a lot of followers, even more subscribers on YouTube. But I mean, I can still post new songs. That's probably gonna be in my future studio album, so stay tuned. I might do that. I'm gonna try to go with this pastel palette. Do this purple color called Harmony. Just because I'm gonna drop a new song called Your Friendship, that does not mean I'm gonna wait till after I release the song and then show you all my other music, meaning that my other songs either going to be in my album or not going to be in my album. It's okay if not all my songs are gonna be in my album. I could just wait until like further notice. It's my decision though, so I can still post sneak peek of my songs. They're either gonna be in my album or not going to be in my album or my next EP. Final touches, I'm gonna go with this one more palette. I'm gonna go with this beautiful lavender light purple color. It almost matches the blouse I'm wearing. By the way, this is from Target and I had it since 2022 for back to school. When I was a senior, I wore this outfit the day of the first day of back to school. Then before I go to sleep, then my mom say, "Hey sweetie, I am very sorry for yelling at you when we have a serious talk." I told her, oh my god, I need this mirror for this. I told her, it's okay, I accept your apology, I forgave you, but you cannot let this happen again, because she has to understand that I get sensitive when people yell at me, including her. Again, I'm like Alexa, that I get sensitive when people yell at me. That includes my mom. Then she gave me a hug saying that she said she's not gonna do it again to yell at me when we have a serious talk. It doesn't happen sometimes. I mean, it doesn't happen all the time. When we have a serious talk, then mom starts to yell at me. That's not a thing. What happened is that sometimes we have a serious talk, she doesn't yell at me, and I was okay. And then we have a serious talk, and I have severe complaints, then she started to yell at me, and I didn't like it. So that definitely hurts my feelings. And I would cry even more to death if she would yell at me so hard, like on a high volume, like a loudspeaker. If we have a serious talk, or there's like huge problems, and she started the chaos. So that was actually happened. Well, that's not exactly what happened last night to me. I would be pissed at her even more if she would start the chaos and started all this trouble by yelling at me when we have a serious talk. Alright guys, so let's do the final touches with the lips. And by the way, I used this pack for the fake lashes. Alright. Okay, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys like it. And by the way, I got a hairstyle surprise to show you all. I'm gonna show you all my new hairstyle that I just did. So that's the reason why I didn't show my hair while I was doing this tutorial video. So keep on watching for the surprise. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final hair look, and it's all wavy, so pretty, look gorgeous, beautiful, very curly. Although it's like wavy, that's because I kept my braids on for a long time, like I would say like 8+ hours of keeping these braids on so I could just make my hair more curlier, like wavy. So thanks for watching my today's video, and this is the final look, by the way. So if you liked the video, give this video a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. Alright, so more music to come. I'll link it down below on my main YouTube channel. If you want to go check out my vlogs and my music and check out all my YouTube videos, go check out my main YouTube channel. It's Nicole Asensio Official. And by the way, I got more vlogs to come, more music to come, more makeup tutorial videos to come. And I'm still looking for a camera so I could just videotape while I was doing like a dance choreography tutorial video, so stay tuned. Right? This is not the end of the dance choreography tutorial videos era. There's still more to come, but I'm still looking for like a camera so I could just do it and then play music on my phone, or I don't care what other device to play music. Right? So make sure to subscribe if you don't miss any new content, and see you on my next video. Bye!